Here is an easy way to make holes in plastic bottle caps without a drill. All you need is a screwdriver, a lighter, and a heat source. This is recommendally your home for friendly guides. Do check out our playlist for the type of content that you want. So here is my lighter, my screwdriver, and my heat source. I'm using a candle. Now I am just going to light up the candle, and then I set it and I hit the screwdriver. After hitting it for like 30 seconds, I'm just going to drill a hole into the cap. The heat makes it easy for the iron to pierce through the rubber. And that's it. Very easy to do. A quick tip here: if you need a smaller hole, you use a smaller screwdriver, like I'm doing here, and you will see that the hole is going to be smaller. But if you need a wider hole, you use a larger screwdriver, like I'm using now, and you can see that the hole is larger. This is recommendally your home for friendly guides. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to share the love and have a beautiful day.